Alright guys, been a while since I've done a video on some 29s. Hopefully get some more 29s going here soon. Gonna try to get some new chromes in and get them done up and have them ready to go. This is a nice radio though. This is a 2005 and it's had some mods done to it. I'll go through the list of mods. We had this one done up. Custom radio, if you want to call it that. A few things done to it here, and we'll go over all that stuff. So starting out, well, we'll save that for last. Obviously it's got a blue meter light in it. Usually go with the white LED. Figured switch it up and go with the blue. It does have a VFO windup in it. On this one it's not on a switch, so it stays on all the time. So if you want to run this out and skip, probably do you a good job. You guys out there talking skip, if you ever hear all the noises going off, pew, pew, that's people that have VFO windups built into their radio. And I've done a whole video explaining the mod, but basically what it does is emulates or imitates a old style transmitter. When people used to have to actually dial their transmitter's VFO in, it would make that noise. So that's what that does. But this one has a VFO windup in it. We'll key it up and let you hear it through another radio. Now the meter's moving because it's picking that radio up in the background. But that's what you'll hear. Stands out a lot when you're keying up with somebody. That's what the VFO windup sounds like. Like I said, I got a whole video explaining the mod if you guys want to see it, but it's got that in it. Variable power is on the Delta tune. I had people in the past that didn't like the variable power being on the RF gain. So your RF gain is fully functional on this radio. I had the volume way up, so why you're getting that noise, but you know, not getting hardly any noise right there. So the Delta tune is your variable power. We'll demonstrate that here in a second. The bright and dim acts as a high and low. And what I'll get into that here in a second about what the high and low is actually doing on this radio. The first things first, we're gonna test it out with it in the low position. And the main thing about this radio, the main mod that's probably going to intrigue a lot of people, it has an AD203 built into it. Okay, this is a you call it a stinger board, power board, whatever you want to call it. That's what it looks like. You take the internal speaker out of the radio and replace it with this. I do sell the boards by themselves. They're on my website and on eBay. I sell them. So if you like the way this board works, you want to put one in yourself, you got to have a little bit of technical skill to do it, but you can put one of these in. And they do a good job, in my opinion. And you don't want to hit them with like a 50-60 watt radio or anything, but with the Cobra 29 hitting them, they do really well. So basically when you're hitting the bright and the dim, acts as a high and low. In the down position, the AD203 is off. In the bright position, AD203 is on. So, and then you've still got your variable power control here. So first things first, we're going to test this radio out with the, we'll go ahead and turn the variable up. We'll test it out on a 50 watt slug and we'll have the AD203 turned off. So let's go over here to our watt meter. We got a 50 watt slug in there, so we're on the middle scale. We'll go ahead and key up. That's about a 7.5 watt dead key. Hello. Audio on a little over 10 average. Hello. About 11 watts average or so, I guess, 11 or 12. And now I'll just stay on the key and I'm going to roll the variable down. We're at 12 o'clock. There you go. Hello. All the way to nothing. Hello. Still swings about 9 average. Hello. 2 watts to 10 average. Hello. Hello. So there you go. all the way down, about 8 or 9 watts average, 2 watts to 10 average, and then all the way up, you know, you'll see 11 or 12 average out of it. Wouldn't recommend running it all the way up at all, but if you wanted to, that's your prerogative to do so. Now what we're going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pop this 50 watt element out, and I'm going to put a 100 watt element in. Okay, then we'll come over here, we're going to turn the AD203 on. We're going to back our dead key all the way down. Now all the way down, obviously you guys saw it went down to 0. It won't be enough to engage the AD203. So you want to run, I think it takes about a watt to get it to key up. We'll mess with it here and see. So AD203 is on. There you go. It's actually keyed up now. You can hear the relay click and engage. Hello, hello, hello. So let's test it from the minimum amount of dead key, and then we'll start putting some dead key in it and see how it reacts. So basically we're just got the minimum amount to key the amplifier section up. We're going to go ahead and key up. We're looking at the bottom scale. Nothing. Hello, hello, hello. 30 watts average, give or take. Now we'll slowly roll it up here. And right there is where it's going to top out at. It's not going to key any more than about 20 watts. Hello, and swing 30. If it was mine, I'd roll it back. You know, if I was running it by itself, hello, right there. Depending on what amp you're going to kick it with, you can roll it down to 10 watts. Hello, you know, if you're messing with a 4-pill or something. Okay, so PEP, I forgot to check PEP with just the radio. We'll go back and do that in a second. You guys are interested in what it'll do peak. So we'll start out with the variable all the way down. Hello, audio, 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 audio. Pretty safe to say that's around a 100 watts PEP. Hello, check, 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 audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. We'll go ahead and put some dead key in it. Hello, check, check, audio, 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 audio. So it's swinging around 100 watts PEP, regardless of the dead key. Let's come over here and see what it's drawing current-wise. Hello, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, audio, check, check, audio, audio. So 6 to 7 amps, and we are running it at 14.7 there. That's actually 14.7. It reads 1/10 high. So 6 to 7 amps, and you know, that adds up. You do the math on it, around 100 watts, and that's what it's showing. 100 watts PEP, 30 watts average. So very similar to like what a Striker 655 would put out, except you've got a Cobra 29 doing it. Let's turn this off, and I'll show you what the radio does PEP. I do apologize, I forgot to show that earlier. We'll go ahead and turn the variable all the way down. So delta tune is your variable. It's all the way down. Check, check, audio. Oh, yeah. 100 watt slug, of course. Oh, we can check it on 100 watt slug. That'll be fine. Hello, radio. Check, check, audio, audio, check, check, audio. Showing around 40 PEP. Audio, audio, check, check, audio, check, check. We'll turn it wide open, see if it makes a difference. Probably do a little less wide open. Hello, check, check, audio, check, check. Actually does the same. Audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. So 40 watts PEP, either all the way down or wide open with this thing. Good radio. I like it. I like the way it turned out. Like I said, I think I'll get some chromes in, some new 29 chromes, and have them done up this way. You know, keep in mind, if you ask me the price on this radio, it's had several mods done to it. The AD203 itself, I think I sell it for, I don't remember what I sell it for by itself. It's around $79, $80 or so, I think. So that's installed in there. You do have to have a external speaker to run with it because the internal speaker's been removed to put the AD203 in there. So if you wanted this radio, you know, you'd obviously have to run the external speaker. You'll be able to run the internal speaker with it. But pretty cool. Going to mess around with these AD203s some more. Have some more of these put in some different radios. Probably definitely get them put in some 29 chromes. This is a 2005 model here, December of 05, I believe. Nice radio though. Good shape. I should probably keep it for a test radio on the bench because it does everything I need it to do. I can run it barefooted and test radios, or I can run the little amp in it and you know, test 4 pills or whatever with it. But really a cool radio. Hope you guys enjoy something different. I got a lot of videos coming up, guys. I got an 8-pill 454 to test. Just several things coming up that I need to get some videos done on, but I want to take the time and show this thing off because I probably will use it to test a amp. I'll probably use it to test the 8-pill 454. But there you go, guys. If you're interested in this radio, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Like I said, the boards, if you just like the way the board works and you want the board by itself, I do sell them by themselves. A lot of people buy them from me and seem to like them quite a bit. So it's basically a RM Italy 203 that you can put inside of a radio. Just the board itself there. So, all right, guys, everybody have a good one out there. Appreciate the views. Appreciate everybody's business. Hope everybody's doing well. Check out the website when you get a chance, roostercb.com. I'm going to be adding a new section that's got used equipment on there, and I'll add in some specials from time to time. So that'll be an interesting section to keep up with. But everybody have a good one out there. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.